Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this scenario may present a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the upper trend line at $211.62 would signal a strong buying opportunity, indicating a potential shift in trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 0.704% over the next 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 17.38% and positive 4.10%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates an anticipated change of 11.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 7.30% to positive 36.42% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within a range of $189.78 to $279.27. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Amazon stock price decreased by approximately 0.631% on the last day, Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, falling from $206.02 to $204.72. During the previous trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.59%, reaching a low of $204.41 and a high of $207.66. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 3.15% over this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should move in tandem with stock price. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 7 million shares, totaling 28 million shares bought and sold for roughly $5.65 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52. While the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 15.59%, or $37.80, below the 52-week high, and 84.32%, or $1,100.48, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. In today's market update, Amazon.com Incorporated is encountering a pivotal moment as it concludes its in-car technology collaboration with Stellantis, a joint venture focused on integrating advanced software into vehicles. This transition positions Google's Android as the new partner for Stellantis, potentially affecting Amazon's presence in the automotive sector and its possible revenue streams from software applications in vehicles. On the stock front, Amazon's shares have recently experienced downward pressure, decreasing by 2.29% over the past week, despite a significant 23% gain since reaching a low earlier this year. Analysts have observed a mixed outlook, with guidance falling short of expectations due to ongoing tariff concerns that are impacting forward momentum. However, there is a silver lining. A recent truce on tariffs between the United States and China may offer some relief and foster optimism in consumer discretionary spending, which is crucial for Amazon. Financially, Amazon has demonstrated strong performance in its cloud segment, Amazon Web Services, growing at an annualized rate of 17%, while advertising revenue remains a robust contributor with a 19% increase year over year. Nonetheless, concerns about consumer spending due to inflation continue to linger, along with heightened competition. The overall consensus remains a strong buy among analysts, suggesting that despite current challenges, the long-term outlook could remain positive as Amazon capitalizes on its dominance in e-commerce and cloud services. With the current consensus price target indicating potential upside, investors may view these developments as critical indicators for navigating short-term volatility while maintaining confidence in Amazon's long-term growth trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated Amazon as a hold with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signal have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock indicates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there's a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at $203.74 and $191.01. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and so far it has decreased by 3.15%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume of trades has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger points to a buy signal also from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may result in a decline to the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is broken, the next support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock typically experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.25 between its high and low, which is 1.59%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.11%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.34. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is $205.17. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 23,950 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 68.156. In total, insiders acquired 243,235 shares and sold 1,306,102 shares in these 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $195.98, reflecting a decrease of 4.27%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, leading us to conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we anticipate Amazon will open higher by 88 cents, starting at $205.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.